Yes, I have achieved my target. I've had 2 to 3 offers. I mean, 3+ offers I had.
How much duration it took?
Not more than 1.5 month.
This is great. This is great.
I'm still hungry.
The hangerness should be always, okay? उसका कोई end नहीं है. Hello everyone. Most of the time, sometime, some senior person always says to me, because why do we have the skills? We have a 10 years, 15 years experience, right? But for this question, I especially bring the Chaitanya with me. Chaitanya, you are my batch 42 students, correct? From the
Yes.
batch 42, right? And Chaitanya will give the answer why Chaitanya has enrolled in the batch, what benefit he observed, okay, and why he enrolled, and what is the benefit he get it. That's it. Yeah, Chaitanya, over to you.
For sure. So there are a few things like, first of all, you want to enroll because you would like to understand what exactly is happening, what is the current trend in the market. Second thing, you get to connect with the people, and you can experience how exactly specific things could be studied. What exactly can be the approach of 10, 15 different people who are in your class. You get that experience. Another part is your sessions are mostly very interactive, basically. So one of the most important thing that I felt while I came to your sessions was I was very motivated, basically, very motivated to switch. For sure, I mean, I've attended some sessions. I've not attended the whole class. I'm so sorry for that. But yes, the motivation that I've got from those sessions, it was crazy. That has actually helped me,
What about
sit in.
technical? Motivation is one part. Technical.
For sure. Technical, the course duration and the technical things, that is something that for sure you have to balance and manage. So
Right.
I can for sure say that you are giving that good starting point.
Okay.
The technical part that you are teaching would be good enough for, say, 5 years, 6 years sort of experienced person, right? And it can be a very good starting point for the experienced guys, wherein they can understand where exactly to start. And I mean, the depth, for sure, sky's the limit. So you can go as deeper as you can in any specific technology, or you can be the jack of all trades, which is the current trend in the market, right? And specifically for DevOps, you have to be the jack, right, of all the trades and all the tools that we have. So
And,
yes.
and
Yes.
Chaitanya, what about your target? I hope I get to know you achieve some target also, whatever you planned it.
Yes, I have achieved my target. I've had 2 to 3 offers. I mean, 3+ offers I had.
How much duration? Obviously, 99% I will say your effort. Okay. But how much duration it took?
Not more than 1.5 month.
This is great. This is great. Okay.
It's
Cool.
1 month. I mean, for sure, in your head, you are preparing for the longer run. However, the actual time span that I spent for, the interviews and everything was not more than a month's time. So, yes,
That's great. Okay. And Chaitanya, some more questions I do have. Okay.
sure.
The question is like, you are around 10, 15 years, right? Experience, right? Tech person, right? Pure tech, correct? And although you came into the batch for learning purpose, right?
Uh-huh.
And from how long before that you are preparing for the interview?
Uh, well, honestly, at least say 1.5 month prior to joining your sessions, I was just looking out, preparing the resumes, or checking out what exactly is the trend, understanding the keywords, what is the recruitment looking out from everyone around, and accordingly, like I enrolled ki bhai, the tech stack that you are providing matches with the market requirement overall. जैसे कि फॉर मिड लेवल एक्सपीरियंस डेवऑप्स सीनियर SRE या फिर L3 इंजीनियर्स के लिए दैट टेक स्टैक मैचेस प्लस माइनस. Obviously, the best and the worst part in DevOps is like, an individual has to give a lot of efforts to understand whatever technology or whatever tool he has to learn, for sure. Like Terraform, I'm learning right now. If you attend the classes, you will only get the starting point of the Terraform as a technology. But yes, sky is the limit for the same, right? I mean,
everything, sky is the limit, right? For every technology, every tool. Correct. Yep. Yep.
Market is actually asking a lot for IAC these days, automation these days. Also, AI as it is into picture. Yes, a lot of companies are asking how can you implement projects or your DevOps tool sets with the help of AI. What are the different AI tools that you have experience on? So yes, that is
Yeah.
something that's supposed to be prepared. So yes,
Okay. So Chaitanya, you are happy, satisfied with my batch? All good?
yes, very much so. Yes, very much so. Very much so. Very much so. Yes. Thank you.
Any message you want to pass to the student of senior persons or any junior, whatever you want?
Sure, there is one trick. There is one trick that I used in the interview just to understand the feedback of the interviewers. Okay,
Okay.
there's one important question that we forget to ask in the interviews. The interviewer usually asks, "Okay, what do you like? Are you going to have a long-term commitment or whatever into the company and everything?" Instead of that, what I started doing was like whenever the last 5 to 10 minutes we have, right? Wherein the interviewer tells you, Ki, do you have any questions? I used to ask them, what is your plan for me? In case I'm hired, what is your plan for me for next 5 years?
Okay.
So the
Okay.
way they explain you, you are able to make out whether you are selected, whether they are positive with you, or are they willing to, have a good career stack for you. Do they have a roadmap for you? Stuffs like that.
Okay.
And I mean, usually if you directly ask them, do you have any feedback? They would not give you, right? They will say HR will get.
Correct, correct. Indirectly, we can ask the thing. I have
Exactly.
one more better trick. Okay. See, like that in the last, let's assume the 5 10 minutes, last 5 minutes is pending. Okay. So whatever he was expecting, you can say that I have a very dirty hand into that part. Okay, because he's not going to ask any questions, right?
Correct.
Okay, first we can ask the candidate interviewer what exactly the project is, what exactly the tech stack you are hiring. Okay, let assume he is saying we are looking for the Kubernetes person who can work into the Google Cloud. So you can say, oh yeah, we have not discussed about that part, but I have a very dirty hands. Now he will not ask any question, but he will
Exactly.
remember that कि हाँ इस बंदे को ये चीज आती है. Okay, and there may be chance कि whatever he is going to take the decision. Okay, he can mention that yeah, this is the person he can means he can be working to that part as well.
Got you.
So the positive things may happen like that. So even that I teach to my students sometime. और कुछ आपके पास कोई अच्छी trick हो तो.
At the end of the interview, I mean, just to know where you are lagging or something as such, you can ask. I mean, we are done with the interview. However, if you can let me know which areas am I supposed to focus more, so that I could as soon as I join the company, I'd be able to plug and play. So इसका आंसर जब इंटरव्यूअर देता है ना तभी we get to know कि जैसे they are looking for someone who's more into Terraform, more into networking, more into security. I mean, so yes, this is something. Yes.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, Chaitanya, for your whatever you want to achieve it, you achieve it. Even I'm pretty happy. You are also satisfied. That's it.
Yeah.
Again, and
Thank you, but
thank
I'm
you.
still hungry. I'm still hungry. I'm still
अरे
hungry.
वो see hangerness should be always okay. उसका कोई end नहीं है. Okay. See, if you join the company with one number, one amount, okay. After 1 year, obviously you may have to feel like यार ये तो कम हो गया है क्योंकि लोन ज्यादा बढ़ जाता है उसके बाद और correct.
I mean, yes, sort of.
Kind of.
Yes.
Thank
That's
you.
the
Thank you, Chaitanya. Thank you. I'm stopping the recording. Thank you.